Hey, it's Ian, and today we have the rechargeable hand mixer. Now this is going to take your baking and your cooking to the next level of convenience. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. Now what really impressed me was the amount of power it has for its size. This features a 3-speed high-torque motor, which makes whipping even the thickest of batters super easy. Now what I love most about this is it's completely rechargeable, so you're never tied to an outlet. You can use this anywhere in the kitchen, indoors, outdoors, in the RV, even in your dorm rooms. You can use this just about anywhere. Now this is going to come with 2 interchangeable attachments, a beater and a whisk, allowing you to beat, whip, mix, and whisk just about anything. Now some of my favorite things to use this on is pancake batter. I love having a good breakfast. I like mixing up smoothies with this and even making cold foam for my coffee. I recommend making these delicious s'mores pancakes. First thing we're gonna do is make a toasted marshmallow whipped cream by using 2 pumps of toasted marshmallow flavoring syrup and 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Whisk it together until it becomes a nice whipped cream consistency. Then beat together some chocolate chip pancake batter, and once that's cooked, we're gonna top with our whipped cream, some chocolate chips, and crushed graham crackers. Then, when you're all done, you can simply throw the beater and whisk in the dishwasher. Now you're gonna love this just as much as I do because it's super convenient, lightweight, and you're never gonna have to deal with hand cramps in the kitchen ever again. Now we have an awesome deal on the site that you're not gonna wanna miss out on, so head on over there and get yours today.